the functions that we had to give money, since budgetary allocation from the national government was not enough. So we felt we give the key functions to enable the county to run, as we also collect revenue from the other functions that are bringing in money. For example, now, we divide it into two. One, we started with the house functions, and then we went to the county functions. In our house, as a simple house in Kakamega and Mumias, we found that we had to pay rent and utilities. This rent comes with the utilities. And then we put food. And then transport, health, education, emergencies. Our county, we have a universal health cover. So everybody has been already registered under the universal health coverage. So here, so our household, we pay 50 shillings per month towards health coverage. Now, in terms of rent and utilities, this is rent and water, electricity and what? Rent is 150, and then utilities like electricity and all that comes to 200. Food. We gave it 300. Remember, we are leaders, we have to eat well. Transport. We are just, our family, we live near the schools, near the working area. The father and the mother wanaenda kwa shamba wanalima miwa yao, so we gave it 70 shillings. Education. We gave it 200 since we want to have professors and people coming, engineers coming from our counties. Then we have 100 shillings for emergencies, just in case something happens. Now, tukienda kwa county, kama sisi kongamano na wazee, tumeona health, tumeipatia health. Tulipatia 300. Why? We have to develop the county hospitals, beds, and all that, yeah? Ambulances, all that come in there. Agriculture, we gave it 150. Fertilizers, inadap, and all that. Transport is 200. Education, education is 150. Firefighting and disaster management we gave it 100. And then public works. Is 100. So this is 3, 450, 5, 6, 7. It's already 1,000. It's 1,000. Any questions? So we felt that these are the priorities, not some functions within the county. For example, let's look at the markets, public works. Yeah? it public what?
Market and trade.
Trade generates income. Like licenses, they collect kanjo. See, they can collect money, so they can be able to actually fund their own departments or fund their own functions within the county. So there are those revenue collecting functions that we do not need to ask we need actually, and it's a right to ask the money from the national government. But we feel that there are some key sectors that need to be improved before we can actually pump in money to the revenue collecting functions within the county. Any question? Any question?